Today we have all gathered here to know about the National Education Policy, that is NEP. Education enables a person to earn his livelihood and helps a nation to grow and prosper. Last year's pandemic has made a person encounter with fear every day. Many new policies and changes have been introduced and implemented. So is in the case of education also. A teacher requires many seminars and workshops to brush up his knowledge from time to time. Such is the case of our new education system. The mobile phones, which were considered as tools to play, suddenly became very important and useful for all of us. Classroom teaching was replaced by online classes where students were the masters of their own choice and we teachers were busy in following them. Teaching was not restricted by minutes as it was according to child's availability. NEP was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29th July 2020. Outlines the vision of India's new education system. The policy aims to transform India's education system by 2021. The government clarified that no one will be forced to study any particular language and that the medium of instruction will not be shifted only to English or any other language. NEP has given complete freedom to stay in many fields because education is the concurrent list. That is why there has been always a bond of contentions between state and center over the jurisdiction. The NEP has recognized the importance of life skills in the lives of human beings and it has given more attention to developing life skills in the education process. NEP is inclusive framework focusing on the elementary level of education to higher education in the country. As the objective of any education is to benefit children so that no child loses opportunity to learn and excel because of circumstances of birth or background or family problems. The policy reaffirms the bridging social gaps in access, participation and learning outcomes in school education will continue to be one of the major goals of all education system development programs. Now I would like my co-host Mr. Rishi to intensify more about NEP. Thank you. Sir, please.
Good morning everyone. A very good morning to all respected honorable principal ma'am and all the parents and everyone present here. Now, first of all, I would like to thank principal ma'am for giving me the opportunity to came here and today and enhance your knowledge about NEP. Now, education is the fundamental for achieving full human potential, development and equitable and just society, promoting national development, providing universal access to quality of education is the key to India and continued ascent and leadership on the global stage in terms of economic growth, social justice and equality, scientific advancement, to the high equality of education in the best way forward to for the developing and maximizing the way of the country, rich talents and resources for the food of the individual and the country as well as the world. Now, education policy lays particularly emphasis on the development of the creativity or the potential of each individual. It is based on the principle that education must develop not only the cognitive capacity but both the fundamental capacities of literature and numeracy of the high order cognitive capacities such as critical thinking, problem solving and but also are ethical, social values and capabilities of the disclosures. Now, first slide is vision of the policy. What do we mean by vision? Vision is basically on the National Education Policy 2020 in vision of the Indian-centric education system that contributes directly to transforming our nation sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high quality education to all. Now, second, what are the key principles of NEP? First one is respect for the diversity of the local content. Second, equity conclusion. Respect and diversity local content is related to often said that to begin the biodiversity is the basic of the some 20 of the non-human life and sensory studies such as the animals and normal improver of the linguistic nature. Second is equity and inclusion. It's known all the education of the decisions also. Third is community participation. Community participation is the entry and involvement of the people from communities is the being of successful, healthy and promotion also. Now, fourth one is use of technology. In this case, we use mobile phone during the pandemic to teach the students as well as have been working from home in order to maintain social distancing and being safe also. Next, emphasize computing and the understanding is the rather than the rote learning and the for the exams also. And unique capabilities, recognition, identifying each and every student. Now the critical thinking, encouraging a logical decision to make a more innovation part. Next, continue and review based on the theoretical and the sustainable research for the regularment of the education experts also. Now, transforming circulation and pedagogical structure. As per the new school education system, on the sheet 5+3+3+4 outlined in the NEP 2020, children will spend 5 years in the foundational stage and 3 years in the preparatory stage, 3 years in the middle stage and 4 years in the secondary stage. Next, shift to competency-based teaching and learning assessment. Now, competency means step by step. Now, you can see on slide, reducing curriculum to the core essential as the minimized route learning. We all know CBSE reduced 30% syllabus for the curriculum and promoting sport integrated integrity and the learning in the classroom for the holistic development is no out of the student activity of the student could be while in the indoor teaching also. Now, next the silent features of stages in the school. You can see foundational stage, preparatory stage, middle stage and high school stage. What was this? It was the foundational stage is the education as per the nation education policy comprises 3-year preschool and Anganwadi education, following 2 years of the primary classes up to 1 to +2, and that is the part and the playway activity based learning also, pedagogy of the English child care also and education based on the NEP. Now, second is preparatory stage. In this stage, introduction of the subject including physical education, language, science and mathematical will happen always from NEP. Now, emphasizing reading and writing skills also and this is also a possibility part. Now, third is middle stage. Middle stage is will be the including standard and the student for the age in 11 to 14 years in grade 6 to 8 grade. Now, subject-oriented pedagogy, curricular method. This level will emphasize on the subject orientation on the basis of learning style also, and critical learning across the science, mathematics, and social and humanity as well as the social science also. Now, last one, high school and secondary stage. What is this? This is comprises for the 4-year multidisciplinary and the studies and the greater the depth of the greater article thinking takes in the part of the greater intention, greater flexibility and student choice also. Now, exposure to more subjects and enable great flexibility, more efficiency and assessment of the modules also. We have our own modules from NCP, you all know. Okay, early childhood care education, ECCE, the foundation learning. What is this? It is basically a gold part from the NCP, NCC circulation at a pedagogical development to prepare initial phase of the quality of ECE teachers, electronic and communication engineering teachers. That is what happened. Play to the introduction and the 6-month certification course program and ECE 1-year diploma program covering from the literary and numeracy of the relevant things and aspects of the ECE, electronic and communication development for the minimum qualification of teachers is 10+2 and above. Now, introduction of preparatory classes. This is all based for the children of the 5 years and learning shall based on the play-based learning with the focus of the developing of the students. Now, next one is attainment of the foundational literary and numeracy by the grade 3 mission mode. What do you mean by grade 3? In 2035 to 30 to 35 mixture. Now, on the slide, the policy declares that the attainment of the foundation, literary and numeracy as the urgency of the national mission and the gain of the aim of the achieving courses and universal foundation literary by 2025. On various measures have been listed in the policy that the proposed of the undertaken to achieve this target
That means also a formation of the NCP. Now, book promotion, national mission, early mission, 3 months play, national respiratory, library also. First we will discuss book promotion. Book promotion is a national promotion policy for the formulated and public school libraries to be expanded more and more. Now, second, National Mission Foundation theory. In this case, NEP 2020 aim to increase the gross enrollment ratio in the higher education, including the vocational education also, from 26.3% in 2018 and to 50% by 2025, and 3.5 crore new seat will be added to the higher education on the basis of the institution part. Okay. Now, early learning. Early learning means the NEP was with the bringing of the many changes of the world in the existing education system. One will be the early childhood and the education care system also. Now, next one, 3 months paid play-based school. Now, in this case, in 3 months play-based school, preparation was mounted on the grade 1 student. Grade 1 means a +2 base students and 6, 7, 8 students. Okay. Next, national respiratory. National respiratory means that more strengthening of the school and play-based schools also in the high quality teachers and reporting learning for the resources of Diksha, Pariksha, you all know about that. Okay, next one is libraries. Library in the formation of the school libraries including NEP emphasizes the teachers and faculties including the library to have and such extension of the attitude of the services, library and conducting the education services and the service of the service center of the resources, imprint, digital and personal affections also. Now, curtailing a dropouts rates, ensuring universal access to the education at all levels. What is this? It brings to the children back to the school and providing the children dropping out on the step by step. Now, on the provide regular trained teachers at the district, special care will be taken and ensure that no school remains absent of infrastructure support. It is not based on the infrastructure, it is based on the student capacity. Right? So, community participation in terms of expertise and infrastructure support also will be happening. Now, scope of the school education will be broadened to facilitate the many multiple pathways and to learning involve the ODN programs, Open Distance Learning Education possible offered by the National Institution and IOS, and state open school will be expanded and strengthening also. Now, next the highlights of pedagogical structure. What do you mean by pedagogical? Related to teaching also, right? Okay, pedagogical is the offer describing as the act of teaching. Now the pedagogical adopt by teachers and shape their actions, judgment and their other teaching strategies also. By taking into the consideration theories of learning also and understanding the students and their focus and their needs and the background of their interest of the individual students is also possibility part from NEP. That is a part of the knowledge and compatibility of the things. First one is competency-based education, integration of the subject, development of scientific temper, and NOS-IOLS among the subjects also based on subjects, emphasizing digital literacy and promotion of multilingualistic teaching also. Okay, what is this? Encouraging 21st century skill in the classroom. See, there are 10 ways to help the students to develop the 21st century skills with Maker's Empire, right? Okay, first one is collaboration. Collaboration means achieving shared goals with others also. Second, digital literacy, problem solving process of finding solution difficult to complex, relating to question problem and issues also. Third one is communication, sharing a throughout the ideas, questioning a solution in the powerful images also. Next is ethics. Ethics is a branch of knowledge that deals with the moral principle and your own values also, with the acceptable of the students also, in the images also, in your formation also. Now, social responsibility. Social responsibility is the ethical framework and suggests that individual and obligation to the work also, you will have to do that work or you will not to do that work. Health is wealth is all of this fitness part. Creativity, generation and testing new ideas also, new innovations. Critical thinking, looking at the problem in new ways and new images also, new manager also. Okay. Next is introduction of contemporary subjects. Contemporary means modern subjects, right? Okay, first one is artificial intelligence, forensic health and data science. Artificial intelligence, what do you mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of the human intelligence in the mechanism or machine that are programmed to think like a human and mimic their actions also. The term may also apply for the any machines, their exhibition traits associated with the human traits and mind such as the learning problem and so problem solving also. It depends on person to person, right? Okay. Second is holistic health. Holistic health is also about the caring for the whole person, providing for you physically, mentally, spiritually and their social needs also. Now, data science, a machine learning. What is this? Data science is basically an interdisciplinary field after the use of scientific method process algorithm system and to extract the knowledge and insight from the many structural and unstructured data which was stored at the moment, right? Okay. Next one is long year course duration. It depends on, it is decided by the state and local communities and mapped by the logical thinking and their skills also and their knowledge perspective also. Okay. Next one is mathematical and computational thinking. Mathematical, you all know. Mathematics include the study of such topics as a qualitative structure, shape and change. It has no general acceptance as the definitions also. It is also use of pattern to formulate the new conjectures and the resolvents or the further fallacies of the such as a mathematical with proof, right? Okay. Next is emphasize on the vocational education. You know all vocational education is very important in our country, right? Now vocational courses through online mode we have. Practical exposure of the activity outside the school. Vocational courses will be offered through the open and distance learning mode also. By 2025, at least 50% of learners have some exposure of the vocational education system. Now, vocational education, what do you mean by vocational education? Vocational education is the education that prepares the student for the work in the specific trade and craft also the technical in the professional system. Vocational such as engineering, accountancy, including medicine and architect and other career states also. Now, knowledge of India. What do we mean by knowledge of India? Like in historical places, right? Knowledge is one and universal, we all know. However, looking at its spread and time to the basic efficiency, the current state in which I am open to take it is mentioned here at least one by one. Okay. In the indigenous knowledge and it highlighted for the implementation of the NEP, right? Okay, knowledge from ancient India and it contributes for the modern. It based on the success and the challenges also. And again courses of the Indian knowledge system in the secondary stage of the electivity subjects also. Students who visit different state as a particular changes program also. And constitutional values have been developed and the students expert of the Indian constitution will be considered essential for the reading and the knowledge also. Knowledge of critical issues facing on the local community, states, country and the worldwide obviously. Okay. Next is the health education. We all know health is wealth. Health is very important part in our life. The recent National Education Policy 2020 NEP has brought about monumental changes in our education system. In doing so, it has also a place at a higher priority of the children's health and the nourishment also. You can see on the slide that the mental health, well-being, nutrition, personal, public hygienic and also detriment and affecting the alcohol and tobacco and other drugs are also possibility of harm. Okay. Leveraging the power, multilingualism and the language learning apart from NEP. Now, it is based on the actually a mother tongue. Mother tongue, homely tongue and local language is also a medium of instruction possibility also, whether possibilities and until the 5 grade possibilities up to grade 8. Languages of the India and the fun of the project and the activity of the school familiarized with the diversity of the language in many countries also possible. Now, National Curriculum Framework of the School Education NCFSE from their textbooks also from NEP. What is this? It is a formulation of the new comprehensive national curriculum and the framework of the school education system from NCFCE in 2020 to 2021 will be undertaken by the NCERT, where possibility schools and teachers will also have the choices in their own ways and the possibilities of the employees from the master set of the netbooks and contain from the requisite national local development and the local materialistic also. Now, transforming assessment for the student development. We all know assessment is very important part for them. And transforming assessment is a process that will help to move and need to involve a wide range of stakeholders in the cycle of their views also and plan and their action also and their report card also. doing some so has an implication for the infrastructure, for the institution of the dialogue required between the staff and the students about the assessment for the curriculum review of the development and the basis of their student also. Okay. Next is transforming assessment and the tracking student progresses across some school years. You can see test code concept, conduct assessment, student data, analyze and the use data continuous monitoring. It is based on the TS transforming assessment is a process that will lead and involve a wide range of stakeholders in the huge cycle of the review from them and plan of action also, doing some stakeholders and the implication for the implementation infrastructure of the institution, the dialogue review between the staff and the student about the assessment and their particular part for their curriculum and the reviews and their development also. Okay, next redesigning report card to assess holistic development of each and every child. What is the 360 degree and the holistic report card? Report card we all know. What the National Education Policy 2020 says, the redesigning report card will be the holistic 360 degree multi-dimensional report card also that reflects in the great detail in the formation of the progress and the curriculum of the activity, uniqueness of the each learning in the continuity and their affectionate and their psychometer domains also. Next, regarding and the guidelines for assessment. Guidelines will be prepared by NCERT, obviously consulting with the major stakeholders such as the Board of Assessment and National Assessment, Center for the School of Education also, transforming in the assessment of the system of 2023 academic also. So aligning and the national, aligning is same and the national curriculum for the framework for the school education NCFC 2021. Okay, next is National Assessment School for National Assessment Center for the School and Education also. What is this? It is based on the regarding the new assessment pattern for the latest research what they developed at that moment for promoting collaboration between the school boards and to become the instruction of the sharing of the best possibilities occur, and that is the practice between the school board members about the shifting their assessments and towards the meeting in the school requirements also, toward meeting the skill requirement 21st century and consistent with the starting with the objectivity of that policy also. Okay, you all know teachers and teacher education 4-year integrated B.Ed, 2-year B.Ed and 1-year B.Ed. We all are B.Ed, I think. So the 4-year integrated B.Ed program will be introduced the teaching eligibility test. We all know TET, TET after B.Ed, you know all, will be strengthened for the subject teachers that PET and NTA test, National Eligibility Test, to performing their teacher education and performing their teacher eligibility also and their capability also. In the setting for the test, score in the correspondence subject is often taken in the amount of the recruitment also. That will depend on the 4-year integrated period, and teachers will be given more autonomy in the choosing for the fingers aspect of the pedagogy. By 2030, the minimum of the degree qualification for teaching will be a 4-year integrated period course, but by 2030, not now. Now, which will I will told you previously slide on the basis of quality of the year 4-year B.Ed degree program, sharing of the TAC and for all the schools also. TET test will be strengthen your knowledge and the teacher eligibility of the education will be moved by the 2030 in the multi-state intervention. Okay, next is NEP aim to support and nutritious teachers and through all phases of their tenure. Nutritious means growth, development and succeed teacher for them. And classroom is a learning space in which we both children and adults learn. And the action or the process you can see on that slide: preparation, recruitment in the class, and professional development. What do we mean by preparation? On the basis of NEP aims. And the action or the process of the preparation from the being prepared, use or the consideration, main purpose part. Second, recruitment. We all know recruitment is a process of activity and seeking to find the best possible and hire a candidate for the specific position at a particular job. And third one is the classroom. That will happen on the basis of the judgment. And professional development is the learning to earn the maintain the silence and the professional credentials such as the academic and degree on the formal, and there are the coursework and tenders for the conference and the information of the learning and opportunity of the stimulative practice. Okay. Next, continued professional development (CPD) and improving standard. It is all based on the supporting the children also and training the teachers and faculty on the online education and workshop training and program for the development of school leaders and principals also. Okay, equitable and inclusive education (NEP). Okay, now education is the single greatest tool for achieving the social justice and equality, we all know. Why? But NEP seeks a bridge gender and the social category gaps in all levels of school education. It is compulsory for all schools, right? Okay. Now, focus on the social economical disadvantaged group. You can see on slide, gender identification, social culture identification, geographical identification, disabilities and social economic condition. It will happen sometime. Gender eligibility and the particular for the females and transgender individuals, that is for them. Social culture identifies such as scheduled caste, tribes, OBC, minorities and other backward classes. Geographical identification such as students, villagers, small towns and aspirational districts means small town people and villagers also in that category. Disabilities including the learning disabilities and a part of the knowledge also. Last one is social economic conditions. It will be such based on the migrant community from one here and there, from one city to another city. Low income household, children with immigrable and situation, victim for the children for the victim of the terrific fire. Orphan including the child better than urban area and urban poor development also. Okay, how to ensure equitable and inclusive education. These are based on the inclusive education and equitable education are the promoting lifelong learning opportunity for all, quality education and lifelong learning as the opportunity for all the center and ensuring them a full productivity life for all the individuals to the requisition and realization of the situation able to the development of the situation. Now, these are some kinds of national education policy and initiatives of how to start and when to start. Standard and the setting accreditation for the school education. It is based on the NEP 2020 on the standard setting and accreditation also. Accreditation means affiliation part. Self-assessment tool for the school to review their performance and their against read the defining and the indicators and benchmark also. Easy application, focus on the enhancement of the knowledge and quality based and equalization for their excellence, promotion of the accountability and benchmark for the school across the range of the desperate of the indicator of the assessment also. Now, transforming assessment examination. It is all based on the key factors like they upgrade their knowledge from class wise also, like 3, 5th, 8 pilot in the selective school also will be conducted in 2021. Policy report card which I have told you before. Okay. Now, initiative on the capacity building on the teacher. What do you mean by capacity building? Capacity building is based on the offering a generic as well as a specific teacher training and the program. Same will be aligned to creative of the newly and the newly recruited teachers obviously. Introduction and the induction of the part of the building initiated by year 2022. Now, CBSE will prepare small 10 minutes and the mock test in the classroom demo as a part of your demonstration and the good class practice for the experiment joyful learning. The board has introduced experimentally learning and competency-based education. Sport integrating education on the basis of the school are mandatory and to follow are the inclusive education are part of the learning of all schools. It is very much part. Okay. Next one is curricular initiative. Initiative means क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए. It is all based on the art and sport and principal pedagogy, leadership, implementation of the experimental and mathematical part for the English 2 level basis. English and English also that is also different part of the subject. Introduction of the 9 vocational courses and development relation in the class 6 to 8 in 2020. Now, ensuring competency based on the education in the school. You can see on slide mandatory adaptation of the learning outcomes by the CBSE school. It is mandatory very important part for them. And creative and critical thinking practice for the test informal assessment throughout the students enrichment and activity introduction of the case-based portion of the question paper design. Mandatory online training on the experimental learning competition and the base of the education also developing and the resources material like their handbooks and their knowledge also based. Okay. Now, students enrichment activity. Enrichment means enrichment activity are the fun which help the student to become more engaged in their learning and their rational motor information. And respect programs are the typically integrated into the project course and the challenges of the student also to use old concepts and then in their new ways also while bringing the new concepts to the light also and their image also. Now these are the expectations from the schools, like I said, you focusing on the core essential subjects, stress on the importance of the foundational skills, literally on the basis of numeracy like mathematical part, and third one is bringing changes in the classroom, teaching in alignment with the NDP. Alignment means same thing. Okay, next is expectation from the school. NDP always demand bring a change in the assessment pattern. Now to move your separation and between the subjects and disciplinary means subject wise. And vocationally training to the students as mentioned of the NDP, one method that they can be planned to one hand of the learning as a vocational subject also, popularize and offer vocational courses and training them to the students also. Okay, next is ensuring capacities building at all levels. It is based on the capacity of the school management. It's all about the building structure, whatever. Minimum 50 hours CPD as per the head of the teachers, and the mentioned teachers for the NISTA needs to be conclusion and the part of the community by all the teachers. Training regular teachers to teaching some approximate vocational subjects and training of the vocational subjects is also, it is mandatory part, is very important from NEP. Identifying the recognized nutrition unique curriculum of the pedagogy and CE, and use of technology also, assessment of the learning also, and implementation of holistic progress card and time tests for the new pedagogies, new methods of way of teaching also. Okay. Next is engage with the parents community as for the positive learning and the environment based. It will be on the inform the students that the duty of the parents is not only the fee, but also they should have to be very pay as much of the unsucceeded people and the child betterment in the new ways also, day by day learning also. Without the cooperation of the parents, nothing would be possible as it took Carter and the child parents as well as the teachers play a very capital role, a very important role in their lives also. Okay. Now, what is the main conclusion part? It is all the new national education development policy is based on the good policy as aim of the making the education system and a holistic and flexible multidimensional alignment to the needs of the 21st century also and 2020 such as sustainable development goals. Now, I am very thankful to you all of your kind of patience also, and my pleasure and God grace to be a part of this institution. Thank you so much.